Some cars are more than just metal and wheels. They define heroes, create legends, and make movies unforgettable. These 50 classic cars shaped Hollywood history.
First, iconic classic cars and TV series. 1. KITT Pontiac Trans Am. Knight Rider. Knight Rider 1982 to 1986. 2. General Lee. Dodge Charger. The Dukes of Hazzard 1979 to 1985. 3. Ford Crown Victoria. Blues Brothers 1980. 4. 1972 Ferrari 365 GTS 4. Miami Vice 1984-89. 5. Chevrolet Impala. Supernatural 2005 to 2020. 6. Toyota Supra. The Fast and the Furious 2001. 7. GMC Vandura. The A-Team 1983 to 1987. 8. Volkswagen Bus. Little Miss Sunshine 2006. 9. Ford Mustang Mach 1. John Wick 2014. 10. Chevy Nova SS. On TV serial Death Proof in 2007. 11. AMC Pacer 1976. On TV serial Wayne's World in 1992. 12. Chevrolet Bel Air. American Graffiti in 1973. 13. Peugeot 406. Taxi serial in 1998. 14. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The Great Gatsby serial in 2013. 15. Toyota Land Cruiser Fiji 40. Indiana Jones on various serial. 16. Ford Thunderbird. Thelma and Louise in 1991. 17. Lamborghini Countach. The Wolf of Wall Street serial in 2013. 18. Buick Roadmaster. Rain Man in 1988. 19. Ford Ltd Country Squire. National Lampoon's Vacation in 1983. 20. Chevy Suburban. Breaking Bad in 2008 to 2013. 21. Mercedes-Benz 600 Casino in 1995. 22. Audi S8 Ronin TV serial in 1998. 23. BMW M5. Mission Impossible Fallout in 2018. 24. Jaguar XJ. James Bond. 25. Cadillac Eldorado. Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas in 1998. 26. Chevy Camaro RXZ Boys in the Hood in 1991. 27. Plymouth Barracuda. Nash Bridges in 1996 to 2001. 28. Mercedes 280 The Hangover in 2009. 29. Toyota A86. Initial D in 1995 to 2013. 30. Ferrari Testarossa. Miami Vice in 1986 to 1989. Next, iconic classic cars and movies.
1. DeLorean DMC-12. Back to the Future 1985. Features: famous for its gull-wing doors and stainless steel body. Fact: the Time Machine version used a flux capacitor for time travel. This is a very iconic classic car in the 80s in the movie Back to the Future. 2. Batmobile. Batman 1966, 1989, etc. Features various models, from a modified Lincoln Futura to a tumbler-style tank. Fact: the 1966 Batmobile was based on the Lincoln Futura concept car. 3. Aston Martin DB5 Goldfinger 1964, James Bond. Features: ejector seat, machine guns, bulletproof shield. Fact: the DB5 became the most famous Bond car and appeared in multiple movies. 4. Dodge Charger RT, the Fast and the Furious 2001. Features supercharged V8, wheelie capability. Fact: Vin Diesel's character calls it his father's car, symbolizing family heritage. 5. Ford Mustang GT 390, Bullet 1968. Features Highland green color, 390 cubic inch V8. Fact: the car chase through San Francisco is one of the greatest in film history. 6. Mini Cooper, the Italian Job 1969 and 2003. Features compact size, agile handling. Fact: the original film used 3 Mini Coopers for the famous gold heist scene. 7. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, Smoky and the Bandit 1977. Features black and gold color scheme, T-top roof. Fact: sales of the Trans Am skyrocketed after the movie's success. 8. Volkswagen Beetle, Herbie, the Love Bug 1968. Features white with racing stripes, number 53. Fact: Herbie had a mind of its own, racing and performing stunts. 9. Ford Gran Torino, Starsky, and Hutch 197579. Features red with a white stripe, nicknamed the Striped Tomato. Fact: the real car had a 351 Windsor V8 under the hood. 10. Ecto 1 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor, Ghostbusters 1984. Features hearse ambulance hybrid, ghost-catching equipment. Fact: it was an actual retired ambulance before being modified for the movie. 11. Dodge Challenger RT, Vanishing Point 1971. Features white paint for 126 Hemi engine. Fact: the film inspired countless car chase scenes in later movies. 12. Chevrolet Camaro Z8 Transformers 2007. Features yellow with black stripes, becomes Bumblebee. Fact: the 1977 Camaro was upgraded to a 2006 Camaro concept in the film. 13. Lotus Esprit S1, The Spy Who Loved Me 1977, James Bond. Features submarine conversion, missile launchers. Fact: nicknamed Wet Nelly, it could operate underwater. 14. Chevrolet Chevelle SS 1970, Fast and Furious 2009. Features big block V8, muscle car legend. Fact: Dom drove it in the dramatic end chase scene. 15. Ferrari 250 GT California Spider, Ferris Bueller's Day Off 1986. Features sleek red design, high value. Fact: the car in the movie was actually a replica. Real versions are worth millions. 16. Jeep Wrangler, Jurassic Park 1993. Features red and gray color scheme, rugged off-road ability. Fact: used as a park vehicle to navigate Isla Nublar. 17. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Mako Shark, Corvette Summer 1978. Features custom built with exaggerated styling. Fact: one-of-a-kind build with a unique front-end design. 18. Ford Falcon XB GT Mad Max 1979. Features supercharger, modified post-apocalyptic design. Fact: known as the Pursuit Special, it became a symbol of the franchise. 19. Plymouth Fury, Christine 1983. Features blood red paint, killer instincts. Fact: the car was portrayed as possessed, fixing itself when damaged. 20. Chevrolet Monte Carlo, Drive 2011. Features simple but powerful, a true getaway car. Fact: the movie's intro scene is one of the best modern chase sequences.
Thank you for watching. See you on next videos and give me subscribe.